Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this eye on head, like this giant eye on gesture and press. You only need 3 items, so grab this for the pupil and color it black. And then I will color the stem to whatever color I want my iris to be. Select the rotten to the core one. Then select the coconut and you're going to color it the color of what you want the iris to be. So I'm just going to color that blue. Then get the pumpkin and color it white in matte. And I'm just going to toggle it to on head. And it will look something like this, like an eyeball. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.